Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram app. Basically, there are two ways to watch the recent reel. First of all, tap on the Reels option in the bottom section of your screen. Now suppose if you like this reel, and scroll down to watch other reels. And if you have not refreshed or exit the Instagram app, then you can simply scroll upwards and rewatch the reel that you had liked. But if you had watched the specific reel the day before or a week ago, then you should keep in mind that in order to watch the same reel, you should have liked the reel. Now go to your profile page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, click on your activity option, then tap on likes option. And here you can find the posts and reels that you had liked earlier. And that is how you can easily check recently watched reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.